I just made $10,000 trading today, and I have all the proof in the world. But I want to show you a simple, when I say simple, I've made this video so many times of using this same exact strategy, but I'm going to teach it a little differently in this video. But this trading strategy, anyone can do, man. Like anyone, whoever's watching behind this camera or on YouTube, whatever it's at, you can do this. And if you just do it consistently and be patient, patience and discipline in this trading strategy is everything, because you can do it nine times out of 10 and it'll most likely work all those times, but you have to wait. You need confirmation. You need all the discipline in the world to do this trading strategy. And that's how I was able to take out 2 payouts last Friday. And that is how I was able to make $10,000 today. Here's a screenshot of all that. All right, without further ado, let's get into this trading strategy. And you need to learn this where you could just you need to like be thinking about it when you go to sleep, so you can just memorize it like that, because this trading strategy is awesome. Anyone can do it. It's one of the easiest trading strategies out there. And I would say personally, it's one of the most consistent trading strategies out there, especially if you add this tool with it. Now let's get into it. All right, let's start off right here. As you can see, this is our 15-minute opening range, this zone right here. We marked our high, we marked our low. If you're a member in Oasis, you get a indicator called Oasis indicator that basically marks the zone for you. So we got the high, we got the low. And so y'all know the trading strategy of the 15-minute opening range. Basically what it is once you break above the 15-minute range, so as you can see, we broke above right here. As you can see, we broke above. We even retested it. Typically, you would enter calls. But with my trading strategy and what I do, I won't enter calls if the wave doesn't align. So here's a screenshot of the wave. This is what it looked like as we were breaking that 15-minute opening range. It was clearly bearish. I mean, it was bearish all day today. And members were asking me while I was live trading, like, Brittain, why are you not entering a trade right now? Like, this is an A+ setup. We're breaking out of the 15-minute opening range. I said, guys, I cannot enter a trade if the wave doesn't align with the technical analysis. And so it wasn't aligning, and I was like, maybe it's another day where data's wrong and I can't trade today and all that good stuff. And so I was just like, all right, guys, I'm going to sit on my hands, and if wave is bearish all day and we see a break back into the 15-minute orb, I will hammer some shorts. I'll hammer puts, right? All right, so I had this little uptrend right here as well. So I used a little other technical analysis, just using a trend line. As you can see, this is the trend line. We broke that trend line to the downside. So I was feeling really bearish right here already, but I wanted to use my rules or stay with my rules and stay with my strategy and wait for that 15-minute breakout. So that's what I did. I waited. It flushed under VWAP. It flushed underneath. I entered the short position right here, and as you can see, wave was so bearish in this screenshot. So I had my TA and my data aligning, which, if y'all know me, that is an A+ setup. So I entered off of 3 funded accounts, one on Alpha Futures and then the other 2 on Top Step X. My Alpha Futures, I live traded the whole thing, so I have it all recorded. I'm gonna post that trade sometime today, but I had it all recorded. And you can see that I took out profits around $5,000. I took out early because I was like, guys, I'm up $5,000 on one account and I'm up $2,500 on the other 2. So if I'm not satisfied with that, then how the hell am I ever going to be profitable? You got to take those profits. So I took those profits for a $10,000 gain. But yeah, guys, so I entered that trade right here. We ended up continuing to push down, but the perfect entry was actually not right there. The perfect entry was this retest. So that is one rule I didn't go with today. I didn't wait for the retest, but I just entered when it flushed. But if you would have waited for this retest, this was the perfect entry for shorts or puts on SPY off the 15-minute opening range breakout. And as you can see, the rest is history. We continued to dump all day long. If I would have held, I'd probably be up like $30,000 on the day, but that's shoulda, coulda, woulda. I saw that bullshit. I was happy with $10,000 in gains today. And if I'm not, then I got a serious problem. Yeah, guys, this is one of my favorite strategies. I've made so many videos off of this same exact strategy. And if it's not clicking for you yet, come join the Discord. Come live trade with me and my buddy Champ. We do this every single day. We enter trades off the 15-minute opening range, and we enter trades off of wave. And if you want to start following wave on your own, if you don't want to be handheld, but you want the data, you want to be able to watch the data live, go to flowtopia.co. and the wave will be right there. But yeah, that is my favorite tool out there for day trading. One of the best tools for sure. Now, obviously, it's not 100% right all the time, or we would all be millionaires, right? But it is a great guidance when it's coming to day trading, and it's a great tool for day trading and scalping, because you can see what the whales and institutions are buying real time based off of net calls and minus net puts, which equals net premium. So you get to see the net premiums coming into the market that day. And that is how we kind of determine our bias for the trading day. Yeah, guys, this was a short video, but I hope you learned something. If you didn't, I have plenty of other videos going over the same exact strategy using technical analysis with Wave and my day trading strategies and how you could use it too. If you want to come join my Discord, you can join the free version first. Go to discord.gg/oasisalerts. The description is down below. You can join for free. We do a live call every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern, going over the watches before the market opens. If you want to start trading Robinhood or Webull, I have links down below where we both get a free stock if you use my link. So there's no hurting in that. So sign up for Webull, sign up for Robinhood using the link down below. We will both get a free stock up to like $1,000, I'm pretty sure. That's potentially. And now if you want to start following the wave, make sure to go to description down below if you don't want to type it out, but it's flowtopia.co. If you're in the beginning of this journey and you can't figure out a way to become profitable, keep going, keep trying. Stop oversizing, start using better risk management, change something up, stick to one strategy or maybe like a couple, and just stick to those strategies and only play those setups. But yeah, guys, y'all have a great day. Thank you for tuning in for this YouTube video. Make sure to like, sub, comment down below. Just tell me like anything you're thinking, just comment it down below. It truly helps me. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the Discord, and yeah, peace out.